Hey everyone, it's me Geoffrey and welcome back to my tech reviews. Welcome to my last episode of the year. I would like to talk about one of the latest Huawei laptop models launched here in UAE, Huawei Matebook 14 2020. Here are the amazing top 3 key features. The Matebook 14 comes with a 2K Huawei FullView Display that brings you an immersive viewing experience while watching your favorite movies or playing games. The laptop's 3:2 aspect ratio gives you much more vertical space than a conventional device, which makes it ideal for designing a masterpiece, editing a document, or browsing web pages. The screen has also been certified by TÜV Rheinland for reducing harmful blue light, so you can use it for longer without your eyes feeling the strain. Not only that, Huawei Matebook 14 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 4000H series 7nm CPU, which accelerates and enhances performance along with the AMD Radeon graphics card, makes editing videos and retouching images a breeze. So you have complete creative control wherever you are. To enhance your experience, the Huawei Share tag built into the touchpad, you can simply tap your phone to the touchpad to transform them into one super device. Your phone screen will pop up automatically on your Huawei Matebook 14 so they can work together seamlessly. You can drag and drop file, use your mobile applications, and reply to calls and messages in real time. This cross-device collaboration makes life and work much easier. The top 3 features are some of my personal favorite. Hope it helps you understand more about the device. So go ahead and experience the amazing Huawei Matebook 14 2020 in our Huawei Experience Store or some of the local retail shops. Don't forget to like my video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.